up, you guys? It's yours truly, Terry, and welcome back to my channel, Makeup and Hair by Terry. So today we're going to be making a hair growth product using simple ingredients that you can get at the store and your local beauty supply store. So right now I'm dicing up my cucumbers and I'm getting my blender ready to place my cucumbers into the blender. Make sure the paper is off. Make sure you have fresh ingredients because you don't want anything old. So I'm just dicing up the rest of my cucumber. I just used one cucumber and I split it in half and I'm dicing them up into small pieces to medium sizes. You guys, this product has been so perfect for me. So right now we're going to use our knife to split open the aloe vera plant. Once we split it into two, we get our plastic spoon and we're going to start to dig out the gel and start to place it inside the blender. But as I was saying, this product has been perfect. It does wonders. It makes my hair soft. It removes dandruff. It stops breakage. And it makes my hair grow like crazy. So now I'm just scraping it and just putting it into my blender, which I bought a small personal blender because you really don't need too big of a blender to make your products unless you want to make some to save for next time. But make sure you store it in the refrigerator and make sure you use it within so many weeks. This product is good for 2 weeks after you make it. After that, you have to dump it and make some more. Y'all need to get some of this halo light. Like seriously, this halo light is perfect. So now we're going in with our vitamin E. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of vitamin E. Vitamin E promotes nutrition for your hair. So now we're going to use our castor oil, and we're going to use 2 tablespoons of castor oil to go inside my blender. So now we're going to use the vinegar, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps cleanse the scalp to remove any buildup from dirt or sweat. And now I'm going to use double strength super growth hair grease to go in there. We're going to use a little of the blue, not too much. The blue is a blue ocean hair grease that you use conditioner. After you condition so it's like a deep conditioner. You're going to put this in your hair with the rest of it after it's blended. Let it sit in your hair for an hour. Then you wash it out. So after we blend this, we're going to put this in a jar of your desire. Then we're going to place it in the freezer for an hour and a half because we're trying to get a thick type of texture, a thick paste to apply in our hair. Just like that. Thank you, beauties, for watching my channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share.